Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. Students, be very attentive. Look at the whiteboard, please, Muskan. Now I will speak your names and show it to your fathers. Father or parents, especially. Okay. Words, Urdu meanings and synonyms. Synonyms mean same meaning words. When I ask you to write the answer to the questions from the text, okay, you are supposed to use different words. Okay, what you do is you simply tick mark one sentence, then another sentence, then another sentence, or tick mark from this to that, and you make an answer. You just copy and paste. Copying and pasting is not the solution. And examiners do not accept copy paste. You just copied some sentences and pasted to another place, and you are showing me that it is an answer. So this won't give you any marks. It will give you no marks. For example, there is a ledge. The word is allege. You may use any other word like shell, fill, projection, profusion, overhang. Clear? And then there is brink. Okay? Instead of using the brink from the text or from the passage, better to use a different word: edge, verge, margin, rim, border, boundary, territory. Clear? There are number of synonyms. There are number of synonyms against each word. Okay, I'm just giving you the example of synonyms so that you may use the synonyms in your writing. That will be a good answer if you are using synonyms and different sentences than that of the sentences used in the text or used in the book. Flap. Flap means to move the wings nicely. Okay. So next one is expanse. Expanse means area, stretch, tract, belt, region. Clear?
Yes.
So you may use any of the synonyms to make your answer, to write your answer. Stretched. Stretched means extended, extensive, widespread or widely spread. That is also called a stretch. Okay. Avoid using words from the text. Okay. When you are asked to answer the question, read the text. Okay, and use different words that are used in the text. Okay. For example, stretch is used in the text, and don't use this word in your answer. You may use this word in your answer, you may use this word in your answer, you may use this word in your answer. Clear? That answer will be a bit acceptable. That may give you some marks. Okay? Just copying and pasting doesn't give you mark. Okay, examiners do not accept these things. They say, what is the ability of the student? It means your ability is zero. You are just copying the text and pasting at another place from the passage. Okay? And it won't give any meaning to your answer. It won't give you marks. Okay? It won't give you any credit. Bent. Bent means lowered, bowed, drooped. Okay? You may use any of these words. These are the synonyms, same meaning. Bend also mean this, bend also mean this, bend also mean this. There are three synonyms. And they are given in your books, in your reference books. Okay? Next one is hole. Hole means a pit, a trench, a cavity. Clear? Next one is muster up. Muster up means gather, collect. So instead of writing the same word, he mustered up his courage. Why don't you write he gathered up his courage, or he collected his courage? Okay. So that will be a beautiful sentence, a good sentence for you. And your examiner, they will be happy that the student is writing from herself. Okay, next one is desperate. Desperate means eager. Desperate means eager. Hopeless. Disinterested. Disinterested. Okay, wretched. Desolate. There are a number of synonyms against the word desperate. Next one is shrilly. Okay, shrilly means piercingly in a shrill voice. Okay. In a low shrill. Next one is scolding. Scolding means, or it also has got synonyms. It means rebuke. It means reprimand. It also means reprove. It also means admonish, and it also means remonstrate. So how many synonyms of scolding has? Rebuke, reprimand, reprove, admonish, remonstrate. Almost 5 synonyms you have got against scolding. Instead of writing a scolding, you may write rebuked. His parents scolded him. If there is a sentence in the text, his parents scolded him, you may write his parents rebuked him. His brother reprimanded him. His brother reproved him. His brother admonished him. His parents remonstrated him. Like this. That will make a bit effect on the examiners, because you are using a different word. But if you are using the same words in the text or in your answer, that won't give any effect to your answer. Okay? Starve. S-T-A-R-V-E. Starve. Starve means famish. Be extremely hungry. Starve means to be extremely hungry. For example, you have skipped your meals or you haven't eaten for 24 hours. Okay? It means you are starving. You lost one meal, then you lost another meal by chance, or accidentally you lost another meal. Okay? So it means you are famishing or you are extremely hungry. Okay? So in this way, using different words, using synonyms or adding synonyms into your answer and using different sentences which mean the same, it will give a good effect to your answer, and it will give you a rewarding effect. Okay? That's how you are supposed to write your answer. Okay? If you don't know the meanings, you should consult English into English dictionary. Okay? That will give you synonyms. Or you simply write the word bring in the Google and write synonyms next to it. Bring synonyms. It will give you number of synonyms. Okay? And then write your answer. It takes some time. It needs hard work. Believe me, I'll simply cross that answer, which will be just copied and pasted. Copy-paste answers will not be accepted. You are copying from the text and you are pasting it somewhere else. No. That will give you 0 marks. Okay. try writing from yourself. I have checked number of students, almost everybody is trying to copy something from the text. And tomorrow again, you will write your assignments from the first chapter and second chapter. I have given you the questions, and use your own words. Own sentences, own words. Okay, if some sentences are copied, I will cross. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.